video, I'm doing the seafood boy. You know how long I want some seafood? Oh, okay, so this is what I have. I have some, I'm going to take it out. I have some Cajun fries. Yeah, baby. Let me give you a 360 turn. You see that? Look at that. Woo! I'm about to enjoy this. So first, put on my gloves. And then I put my prayer off camera, not on camera. Look at that. Ooh. I put on my scissors. I'm just gonna take some out. Poking. Lots of tail. Corn. Egg. Yeah, boy. I got a piece up in here. Alright, so I think that's enough for now. Put it to the side. I don't got no juice though. I'm gonna get the juice out of the bag. Whatever. So alright, let's taste. I can see me, right? See this right there? No. It's not Cajun fries, it's Cajun fries. Alright, let's try the shrimp. See how it tastes. I don't know, I'm gonna break these legs because I can't find my scissors. That's good. Corn on the cob. Oh my god. It's not hot. It's medium. Oh, gotta slow down. It's a little spicy. This thing tastes good. Oh my god. Alright, try the egg. That's some sauce. Ooh. This tastes so good. So far right now. But I'll eat breakfast this morning. It's like 11 o'clock right now. Got off work 7:30. Got home like 8:30. Let's go get some seafood. so good. Thanks to my sponsor. I'm living for the shrimp. This shrimp. It's good. Yep, no head on there. It's really good though. Okay, so I'm gonna crab leg. I'll put break this in my car. I'm not ready to with my teeth. That sauce is just cool. Sometimes you just go. My teeth out there. Hold on, I'm thirsty. Let's open it with one hand without taking out the glove. Let me. Back to eating. Sorry I can have none. I'm eating the potatoes. And then the sauce. It's alright. Alright. I just put my teeth is strong enough for this. I can't put my scissors, yo. I lie y'all too. Okay. Come through. Sure. Okay. Okay, girl. There. I like the pot.
Bruh.
Oh, that's stinky. Oh. That tastes good. Next time, I'm gonna make sure I put my scissors because I can't do it like this. Okay. That was good. No cap. That was good. Okay. I'm spilling stuff. I honestly wasn't trying to set up anything because I was tired. I'm like, ugh, I don't feel like setting up. I can't eat seafood on my bed. It's gonna be a hot mess. Ooh. Oh, lobster tail. Details. Able to taste good? No. Okay, honey. Yeah, baby. I'm going to shut off. I don't know what's going on. Ooh, excuse me. Oh, come on, lobster. Sauce. Oh my god. This tastes so good. I didn't taste it. Oh, I took everything already then. Okay. It's a little spicy, but it tastes so freaking good. I forgot the name of the sauce. I think it's the sauce is a king crab special sauce that I got. Oh my god. I see why people eat seafood a lot. This tastes good. Especially with the right sauce. Oh yeah. Y'all thought I was gonna put it down. Nope. My shirt is clean. Okay. Look at the tail. Oh man, I'm a mess. This is good though. Dip it in the sauce. I'm using. All right, back to the shrimp because I think the shrimp is. I think the shrimp is the best part for me. Yeah, the shrimp tastes good with the sauce. Oh yes, okay. So I got this from King Crab. I'm trying to get their name right. Excuse me. King Crab. Cajun King Crab on Pennsylvania Avenue. Across the street, like by it's around the corner from the Domino's, Pennsylvania. I think it's a Cherry Valley there. In East New York. They live in East New York. I actually know what I'm talking about. I don't remember the other street name. But the address is 1111 Granville Payne Avenue. I'm gonna show you the flyer. Let me put y'all on because it does taste good. I'm gonna give them free promo because it does taste good. I'm over here making a mess. Oh well. Did every warm and food taste good enough? So every warm. I'm not even my fries. This is good cold. Scary fingers. Look at that hotness. But yeah, it's on Pennsylvania. I don't remember the other cross street. But it's close to, dang, what's that place called? Oh, you know Pennsylvania Linden? And then you just go down Pennsylvania, you pass in the all the fast food spots, Popeyes, but that's not gonna help you because they're going the other direction. Damn. I'll show you the flyer. Okay. I'll show you the flyer. I think they just opened like last week too. So this tastes good for real. Not even. What? Alright, so I got half-pound crab legs, 1 lobster tail, 2 eggs, shrimps. That came up to $45. It comes with potatoes and corn, so $45, not that bad. One turn. I could pay $45 of that. The other part I was gonna go to is Sea Island. I didn't even know they closed on Monday. Yeah. So the Cajun fries is $4. Still a good deal. Still a good. I could afford this. This I can afford. But next time, let me try the king crab because I'm gonna try it. I keep chopping them. And they're hiring, so if y'all know how to cook seafood, like I said, they just opened up because I saw this on Instagram like last week too. I was like, oh snap, say a word. Just open up. I was like, I didn't know exactly where this is at, because I always go around there to the Young World to buy stuff for my son. So I know the area. I know I used to live around here too, so I know the area. I used to live in Pennsylvania, Eggman, around there. It's close, but not far from there, so. I put on Instagram, I was like, okay. Clean to the bone. Okay. Alright, so I took one more egg left, so. Oh, I'm gonna have to take a ginger vitamin after I finish this. I got it from Dollar Tree. Flavor water. Oh, I'm getting bold. Alright. So I'm about to save it for tomorrow. I have, I'm gonna lay it off for this, 2 or 1? I think 2. Got some shrimps, 2. The potato, the potato is alright, but I don't really like it. I got 1 more corn and some shrimps in there. I think I'm gonna save it for tomorrow. If I'm from work, I'm gonna get it. Okay, I'm full, guys. So that's it for my little seafood boil video. And please subscribe if you haven't yet. I appreciate you watching.